What are black holes? Black holes are objects with such strong gravitational force that nothing, not even light, can escape them. They form when massive stars collapse in on themselves at the end of their life cycles. What would happen if all the black holes in the universe collided? This is a pretty terrifying thought, but it's also fascinating to imagine. If all of the black holes in the universe came together, they would create one supermassive black hole. This black hole would be so massive and have such strong gravity that anything nearby would be pulled into it. This would have disastrous consequences for the rest of the universe. As matter is pulled into the black hole, it would release huge amounts of energy. This would cause the black hole to grow even larger and its gravitational force would become even stronger. Eventually, the black hole would consume everything in the universe, until there was nothing left. The universe would end in a black hole. What would happen if you fell into a black hole? If you fell into a black hole, you would be pulled in by its gravitational force. You would be crushed by the intense pressure and your body would be stretched out like spaghetti. Eventually, you would be pulled into the center of the black hole, where you would be destroyed. Would it be possible to eventually escape from a black hole? No, it would not be possible to escape from a black hole. Once you were pulled in, you would be trapped forever. Black holes are fascinating and dangerous objects. It's pretty mind-boggling to think about what would happen if all of the black holes in the universe came together. Could black holes portals into other dimensions? The idea of black holes as portals into other dimensions has been proposed by some scientists. However, there is no scientific evidence to support this claim. It is possible that black holes could be gateways to other parts of the universe, but this is purely speculative at this point. Some scientists believe that black holes could be tunnels that lead to another universe. Others believe that they could be wormholes that connect different parts of our universe. Black holes are fascinating objects and there is still much we don't know about them. The idea of them being portals into other dimensions is an intriguing one, but it is still just a theory at this point. Who knows what we might discover about black holes in the future? Could a spaceship travel through a black hole? It is possible that a spaceship could travel through a black hole. However, it would be extremely dangerous and the ship would likely be destroyed in the process. If a ship did manage to survive passing through a black hole, it would emerge in a different part of the universe. Are there any black holes close to Earth? There are no black holes close to Earth. The closest black hole to our solar system is about 3,000 light-years away. Black holes are not visible to the naked eye, so you would need a telescope to see one. Black holes are fascinating and dangerous objects. They are incredibly powerful and nothing can escape their gravitational force, not even light. If all of the black holes in the universe came together, they would create one supermassive black hole that would consume everything in the universe. What a terrifying thought.